Every time we say that we are feeling this because of circumstances and people, we are blaming them for our mood. When the iron rod heats up, you can mold it in any shape. Never spoil your mood, otherwise people will shield you as they want. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will succeed. Science and spirituality are connected. Both saying the same thing. Don't believe, feel. Positive life cannot be lived with negative thinking. So convert all negative thoughts into positive thoughts as much as possible. Successful relationships do not depend on how good understanding is between us. Rather, it depends on how well we can avoid misunderstanding. The problem is as big as the pain we cause. If you remain stable, the problem seems to be very small and easily encountered. There is no bone in the tongue, but it can be a pillar of strength for a broken heart. Use it carefully. Life is not a competition. Everyone is on their journey. Live according to your choice, ability, values and principles. When I is replaced with we, illness also turns into wellness. Your mind is your best friend if you control it. But if your mind controls you, then it is your biggest enemy. It is very easy to give an example of something, but it is equally difficult to become an example of something. If you are looking for a person who can change your life, then take a glass and see yourself in it. You will find that person. The greatest identity of a good person is that he sees goodness more than evil in others. Knowledge does not mean just understanding or studying something, but it means adopting all those essential things in your daily life. Truth is a debit card. Pay first and enjoy later. Lie is a credit card. Enjoy first and pay later. When we try to control others, we lose the power to ourselves. Mistake is not the first step of success, but the fact is, a correction of mistake is the first step of success. If you are helping someone and expecting something in return, you are doing business, not kindness. To be successful in life, forget the problems you faced, but don't forget the lesson that you learned from those problems. There are two ways of being rich. One is to have all you want. The other is to be satisfied with what you have.